folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 648, replace words. The way we'll be solving this problem is by using every single word that's given to us and getting every substring. So getting the first letter and getting everything from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, all the way till the end, checking if there's a root available. As soon as there is a root word that's available, we replace it and we move on to the next a word. It's relatively simple, so let's get started. So basically we have to go through every single word in the sentence. So let's just like split that. So the way we split that is by using the split function. And you use \\s for spaces. And you need to be able to compare every single word and the substring of every single word to the list in the dictionary, but trying to iterate through every single string will take us off n time for every single iteration. So what we can do is we can create a hash set that keeps a track of all of the roots that we can compare it to. So it'd be new hash set and everything that you need to give is actually just like pass that iterable collection as well. So everything is added to that. Awesome. So next up, we have to go through every single word. So let's do that. Int I equals 0, I less than words dot length. You increment I. Yeah, so once we have that, let's just pull that as the current word. So string current word equals words of I. And once we do that, we have to iterate through every single index to get the substring of that. So let's go from int j equals 1, and we'll go over why it needs to start with 1 in a second. So it'll be current word dot length, and then you increment j. What's next? Okay, so the string of, let's just call it substring. So this would be the current substring, and this would be current word. And you apply the method substring on it, so it gets the substring between index A and index B. So it'll start with 0 and go all the way till j. And the reason why we have j starting as 1 is because this index is not inclusive. So it basically starts with only the first letter and then it continues. So if if the subset contains this particular substring, that means we got the root that we care about, and we can use the same array of strings to just replace that. So it will be words of I equals current substring, and once we get it, we don't really need to iterate through the rest of it, right? So once we get it and assign it, we just break, right? And then once we've gone through all of the words, we just need to combine all of these words that's given to us. So this would be string dot join. How do we join it? We use a character space, and then what is the string array that we're using? Words. So basically we just need to do that. I don't think I'm missing anything, so let's try compiling this. Okay, so the first few test cases are okay. Let's try submitting it. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity of the entire solution. The time complexity of the entire solution is O of n into m, n being the number of words and m being the length of every single word, because we have to go through every single substring. And the space complexity is O of n, since we are using the words array and also the set as well. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'd really appreciate that. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks soon. Peace.